Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since I filmed a makeup tutorial, but today we're going to play with makeup. I recently got a package from Too Faced and they sent me their new white peach eyeshadow palette, which looks like this. I have filmed a video using their other peach palette and I did a full review and tutorial. If you guys want to check it out, I'll put a link above. But I created a purple smoky glittery eye using this eyeshadow palette. I really like how it turned out. I definitely wanted to play with the purple shade because I saw a lot of like pros and cons to that eyeshadow, so I wanted to see how it worked for myself. And I also paired it with a lip that I don't normally go for, but I kind of wanted to switch things up for you, and this is the look I came up with. So if you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. I'm starting off with the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. This is an eyeshadow primer and it will prevent creasing and make the pigments of the shadow stand out more. Here is the Too Faced White Peach palette and I love the colors in here. The first one I'm going to start off with is Peach Cream, which is a cream kind of off-white color, and I'm using this to highlight my brow bone. For my transition color, I'm going to take this Peach Sorbet eyeshadow and it's a very soft matte peach shadow. I wanted to add a hint of color to my crease, so I'm taking Peach Suede eyeshadow. It's kind of like a pinky peach color, and I'm sweeping this right in my socket. The next color I'm going to use has a lot of shimmer and glitter in it, so I'm taking the glitter glue as a base for the shadow, and it's also going to help carve out the shape I want to create. This is Peach Passion, and I heard a lot of reviews that this created a lot of fallout. I did notice that the glitter glue helped a lot, but I did get some fallout because it is so shimmery, but the color is gorgeous. Now I'm just going to take an angled eyeshadow brush to blend out those edges. I really want to smoke up this look, so I'm taking On the Grill eyeshadow, which is kind of a matte soft black, and I'm just smudging this right in my lash line. Too Faced always keeps me stocked up on the Better Than Sex mascara, so I'm just going to apply a few coats to my top lashes. Then I'm topping it off with my favorite pair of lashes. These are from Coco Lashes in the style Venus. Moving on to the Complexion. This is the Too Faced Hangover Plenishing Face Primer. My skin, especially on my cheeks, are super dry, so this really helps hydrate. Besides being super dry, in my T-zone I'm extremely oily, so I'm using the LA Girl Pro Matte HD foundation, and I have been loving this a lot lately. It is the medium beige color that I use, and it gives me full coverage and a nice matte finish. And to brighten underneath my eye area, I'm just using the Pixie Nude Pat Away Concealing Base. Now I'm going to finish up underneath my eye area, and I'm going back in with that purple eyeshadow, and I'm just smudging this underneath my lower lashes. And one thing I didn't show is that I put the glitter base underneath to prevent fallout. I'm going to use Peach Suede eyeshadow to blend out that purple shadow, and I'm just using a fluffy eyeshadow brush to sweep out the edges. If there wasn't enough shimmer, I wanted to add some more. I'm taking Peach Ice eyeshadow, and I'm just popping this right in the center of my lower lash line. Then I'm going in with a black eyeliner right in my waterline. Now I'm just topping off the eyes with the Better Than Sex mascara, and I like to use the point of the lashes to really define and separate my lashes. They look super long and full when you do it this way. Now I'm just adding a little color to my complexion, so I'm taking the Chocolate Soleil Too Faced bronzer, and I'm applying this to my temples, the hollows of my cheeks, and underneath my jaw. I thought I would bring out the Too Faced Sweet Peach Glow palette, and I wanted to use this bronzy color as a blush just to keep things still natural but give a little color to my cheeks. Then I'm going into this highlight that comes in the palette. I forgot how beautiful it is, and I'm just popping this on the highest points of my cheeks, my nose, and Cupid's bow. Last but not least, I'm taking the Too Faced Melted Matte Lipstick in the color Sell Out. I chose this color because it complements the shadow that I used in my crease, so I thought they'd look really pretty together. This isn't a color I normally go for, but I thought it would complement the eyes. Last but not least, I'm going to set everything with the peach mist, and make sure you just give it a little shake first and then spray it all over. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I will list all the products I used down below. And I also wanted to end this video saying that I know I haven't been posting as much on YouTube. I recently turned 30 and I told myself that this year I was going to focus on a few other things that I wanted to spend more time on. Number one being my health and just spending more time with friends and family. And I do still love YouTube. I just kind of wanted to take a step back. I'm not going anywhere, trust me, I'm not going anywhere, but I do post more things on Instagram now, shorter videos, and if there's like a review or a big collection or just some really amazing products that I want to play with, that's what's going to be on YouTube. I just kind of want to focus on, you know, better content for you instead of just kind of throwing random stuff on my channel. So I guess I'm very picky and choosy on what I'm putting on my channel now. But if you guys have any requests or videos you really want to see from me, then let me know down below. I definitely look at all of your comments. So thank you for all your support and always watching me. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.